Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2015 Kenworth W900 factory built glider kit, built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10-speed, 46,000 rears, and full lockers. It's got 535,000 original miles, and it's just been completely overhauled. All genuine Detroit parts, overhaul kit, turbo, head, injectors. Went all the way on this one. I've gotten it hot today. Gonna do a full walk around, show you what we got here. Let's get started. Really nice body and paint. Just came out of detail. Paint looks fantastic. Got great steers. Of course, great blow by. Southern truck, no rust. Love the extended cab aspect of this truck. Air slide fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels, new drives. Brakes are good, right at 50%. Interior is nice and clean, extra gauges. We changed the cluster there during the overhaul. You can see the oil pressure is fantastic. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.